Hey, join us as we've got Katherine Anderson and Ashley Picard from Yavapai College to help us share the events coming up for this week on First to Know. So thanks to the Quest Grant program, you can just Google Quest Grant Yavapai College and it comes right up. You guys done a great job there on the tuition-free certifications available through the college. Thanks for that sponsorship. And we're going to start off right with Swiftie Skate Friday, January 10th at the Community Ice Rink at the Findlay Toyota Center. I think that's the Raising Cane's ice rink now. Skate to the hits of Taylor Swift, which I don't know anything about.
So much fun.
So check that out. Do you want to cover the next one, boss, on the happy hour? It's Rafter 11?
Sure. Happy hour special at Rafter 11. Looks like Friday, January 10th from 5 to 7. Rafter 11 is right here in PV. They have an exclusive menu offered, plus live music, local artists. More information, you can visit rafter11.com.
Hey, the health services person might be an F2K first to know. You're next, Katherine. You want to how about the Happy Somebody's Guide?
The Happy Homebodies.
Happy Homebodies.
Yes. The Happy Homebodies Guide to Houseplant Happiness at Watters. It's going to be Saturday, January 11th from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. at Watters Garden Center in Prescott. They're going to share their top picks for easy care houseplants and teach you the best techniques for watering, fertilizing, and finding the perfect light. And you can visit watersgardencenter.com for more info.
I think we just let these guys run. We don't let's do anything. I'll handle the art and wine with Allison and Meg at the Phippen Saturday, July 11th, 1 to 2 p.m.
January 11th.
Oh, I can't even read today. January 11th, 1 to 2 p.m. at the Phippen Museum in Prescott. Join Allison Crary and Meg Goodyear for a seasonal sip and unwind paint night. That sounds cool. RSVP, call 778-1385 at the Phippen. You a hockey fan? Doesn't look like it.
We don't have it here anymore, so we haven't been able to watch a lot
we got
of it,
playoffs at Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yes.
You can cover that.
Yep.
Go for it.
All right. NFL playoffs. You can watch Wild Card Weekend at Buffalo Wild Wings in PV. Games start Saturday afternoon and all day Sundays. Buffalo Wild Wings.
Easy peasy. You want to cover Arenacross?
Sure. And then there's me who is going to say, I don't even know who's in the playoffs. So
there you go. That's cool.
All right. The AMA Arenacross at Findlay Toyota Center is going to be Friday, February 7th and Saturday, February 8th from 6 to 9 p.m. And let's see, fans can expect a fast-paced, family-friendly show on a track that will push the skills and determination of every rider to the limit. And they can visit FindlayToyotaCenter.com for tickets.
And if they get hurt, they're probably going to get helped out by a nurse that was trained at Yavapai College. How'd you like that wrap in? Okay. Jeff Dunham at the Findlay Toyota Center, Saturday, March 8th at 5 p.m. in Prescott Valley. Dunham is coming back to Prescott Valley as a part of his artificial intelligence tour. Have you guys seen this guy yet?
Not in person, but yes, big fan.
Awesome.
Yes,
For tickets, FindlayToyotaCenter.com. I appreciate you guys coming in. What else is going on? We just had Robin Bryson.
Oh,
she's fantastic.
A ball of energy and enthusiasm.
Yes.
She turned us on to Google's Notebook LM. And we just started using that. Have you even played with that at all?
Nope.
So find a website with a lot of complex information in it that you want to know more about, but simply don't have the time to go through. Paste a URL into Notebook LM Scrubber, and it will create a podcast between two people talking about that subject.
That's awesome.
And we tested it on our parent company's website, fainsignaturegroup.com. And it came back with like a 12-minute podcast between two people. Couldn't tell they were artificial people. And it talked all about the website and what we've been doing for 60 years. And it'll blow you away.
wow.
That's awesome.
It's made for studying, and it's made to take complex topics and create a conversation that's easy to understand and follow. It is
great.
bizarre. So just Google Notebook LM. They have a free version and check it out. We're starting to use it internally for training as well as conveying topics on our podcast. So anyways, that was Robin Bryce from your special projects.
Mhm.
And,
Yeah.
She
All
came
the
from, I
tech
knew her from the
stuff.
high school.
All the tech stuff. She's great.
She has so much energy. She was, I call her chief enthusiasm officer.
Robin is, yes. We
She's
need to
got
bottle
that.
her energy.
She's got that. Thanks for all you guys do, keeping our young folks educated, employed. And like I always tell everybody from Yavapai College, you guys aren't an educational institution to me. You're a community builder. So keep building. We're going to keep partnering with you guys to fill those jobs. And they're really their careers when you talk about an RN.
Yes, they are.
Doctors are great. Nurses make the world go round.
Yes, they do.
Right? So thanks for coming in. We'll see you soon.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Take care.